Hello Kevin, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2013 Triumph Daytona 675. The price is $9,888 plus HST and licensing, and the kilometers is 2,678. Fully safety certified. You will receive a brand new tires, front and rear, and also has a time protector. The bike is kind of very clean, never been an accident, free of liens, and they're ready for the season. Everything is stock, pipe, original. Just the only thing is being customized is the seat. They have the comfort seat, very cushy seat. The rest is from the manufacturer. So if you have some question or if you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. Phone number 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.